Welcome to the Firearm Safety Certificate Training Program. This comprehensive course will prepare you for FSC examination, ensuring you have the knowledge and skills for responsible firearm ownership. This program empowers you to master safety protocols, pass the required California exam, understand firearm laws, and apply proper storage practices. The FSC certifies that you have demonstrated knowledge of safe handling and storage practices for firearms as required by California law. Your core responsibilities include safe firearm handling at all times, proper storage to prevent unauthorized access, understanding ammunition compatibility, knowledge of firearm laws, identifying unsafe conditions, and following emergency response protocols. The FSC is issued by the California Department of Justice. Requirements include being 18 or older, having valid ID, completing a DOJ-certified course, and passing the written exam. Training covers safety rules, ammunition identification, storage requirements, California laws, and safe transport procedures. The FSC examination consists of 30 multiple-choice questions covering all safety topics. You'll have 1 hour to complete the test, and you need a minimum score of 75%, that's 23 correct answers, to pass. The good news? It's an open book format, meaning you'll have access to the study guide during the exam. You'll receive immediate results upon completion, and your certificate is valid for 5 years. Time management is crucial. With 60 minutes for 30 questions, you have an average of 2 minutes per question. Plan to finish with time to review your answers. The content is weighted by priority. High priority areas include safe handling with 8 questions, storage requirements with 5 questions, and California laws with 6 questions. Medium priority topics cover ammunition safety, child prevention, and range protocols. Emergency procedures and legal responsibilities round out the exam. You'll master 10 essential skills: safe loading and unloading, condition checking, muzzle control, trigger discipline, storage methods, ammunition identification, malfunction clearing, range commands, legal knowledge, and emergency response. Let's test your knowledge. What is the first rule of firearm safety that must always be followed? The correct answer is always point the muzzle in a safe direction. This is the primary and most important rule. Even if all other safety rules are violated, pointing the muzzle in a safe direction prevents injury. Remember, a safe direction means where an accidental discharge would not cause injury or property damage. Your FSC knowledge applies in 4 key environments: home storage for residential safety, shooting ranges for protocol compliance, hunting activities for field safety, and retail purchases, as the FSC is required for all firearm purchases in California. Remember these fundamental rules. Treat every firearm as loaded, point the muzzle in a safe direction, keep your finger off the trigger until ready, know your target and beyond, and use correct ammunition. Key legal requirements: valid FSC for purchases, secure storage with children present, 5-day reporting for lost firearms, background checks, and 10-day waiting periods. Excellence in firearm safety requires constant awareness, clear communication at ranges, responsible storage with proper locking systems, ongoing education about laws and techniques, and emergency readiness. Ethically, safety comes above all else, with respect for law and regulations and full responsibility for your actions. Never handle firearms under the influence, always follow range rules, and report unsafe behavior. Prepare effectively by reviewing the FSC study guide thoroughly, taking practice tests multiple times, creating summary notes, watching instructional videos, and quizzing yourself on difficult areas. Consider studying with other candidates, discussing scenarios, attending training courses, and asking instructors for clarification. Plan for 1 to 2 weeks of preparation for best results. Your FSC is valid for 5 years from the issuance date. Renewal requires retaking the examination, with no continuing education required between renewals. However, we recommend staying informed about law changes, practicing safe handling regularly, reviewing safety protocols annually, and maintaining secure storage practices throughout your ownership. Remember the key numbers: 30 questions, 75% to pass, 60 minutes, 5-year validity, and it's 100% required in California for all firearm purchases. Your path to responsible firearm ownership starts here. Study the guide, practice with tests, focus on safety, manage your time well, and approach the exam with confidence. Need to pass your FSC exam? Get free practice tests from Practice Test Geeks. Visit practicetestgeeks.com to access comprehensive study materials and test your knowledge before the real exam. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code with your phone. Start practicing today and pass your FSC exam with confidence.